Hey viewers, welcome to in this video. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful React chat application with a beautiful UI. You can check that this is a scroll view, and you can also check that this is a beautiful chats, and you can chat anyone, and there are beautiful hover effects, and there are multiple components in this application. You can also message, please watch this video, and you can check that this is a beautiful animation on this message. You can also check that again this animation. Subscribe this channel. Yes, you can check that these are beautiful animation, and this is a beautiful React chat app UI. You can create your own chat app UI, and you can check that the source code is fully beautiful and neat and clean without any bugs. This is a fully neat and clean code. If you want to get a source code, then you can comment me in this video, and also you can visit on my Fiverr profile and you can order on this project. I will give you the source code on this Fiverr profile. You can go this Fiverr profile. I will also share my profile link in description. Just click on the link and visit my profile. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel.